matter, but work also matter.
Yeah. Okay, so how much salary do you think is enough to get the financially freedom status? You? Yeah, I'm good. My name is Anjali Rai, and would you like to introduce yourself?
Okay, definitely. Why not? My name is Kaijar Alam, and I'm from West Bengal. So, where are you from, ma'am?
I live in Maharashtra for now.
Okay,
So, are you
okay.
working? Do you work somewhere
Yes,
or
yes,
okay,
yeah,
where do
absolutely.
you work?
Actually, I working in private sector, which is showroom area. Uh,
Okay,
that is just as a showroom. So
okay.
I worked over there, and after that, whenever I have free time, just spend my time while learning English purpose.
Oh, that's a really good thing that you want to learn.
Okay,
So, how long did you
and
join here?
in this platform,
Yeah,
or
yeah.
you are talking about another? Okay,
On this
I
platform.
thought I
Yeah.
joined this Okay, I joined this platform maybe 4 months ago. I talk with another tutor whenever I talk, but sometimes I
Yeah, I
talk with
recently
again.
joined. That's why.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yes, you were recently joined.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So, why did you decided to learn English? Is there a reason for that?
No, there is no any reason, but I love to speak. I love to talk unknown person while English language. So I talk with many of my friends. I talk with many of the tutor all over the world. So it's my duty to learn.
Oh,
So it gives me positiveness. So that's why that is the reason. There is
yeah.
there is no any reason to talk in English to just build a confidence. That is not matter. But I love to speaking. I love to build myself in future in English language purpose. That's why I also joined this platform, and I also joined uh, actually learning purpose.
Okay, that's a really good thing that you want to learn something new. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
the
But mhm. According to me, oh, we are talking about many things, but in face to face, we are face lots of difficult situation while talking with anyone. There is no need to tutor. There is no need to student, but we feel uncomfortable while talking in front of camera or in front of someone. So that's the reason I choose
okay, what kind of
for
problems
speaking
do you
purpose.
face, like confidence or
No.
nervousness, anything of
Mhm.
that
No,
sort?
no, there is no problem for my side, but I think that
Okay.
lots of people facing difficult situation while speaking,
Okay, you were saying
and
that
I
like
also I
generally. Okay.
yeah, in past time I also faced a lot while talking in front of camera, in front of any tutor. So
Mm-hmm.
now it's okay to talk. Now it's okay to speak. Anyone is come in front of
Because
camera.
yeah, because you
Okay.
practiced a little bit from yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
now you feel more
So,
comfortable. Okay,
yes,
that's good.
exactly.
So today the
So, ma'am,
topic we are going to discuss is financial independence. Yeah.
mhm. So
Yeah, what
yeah,
were
we
you
definitely
saying? Go
talk
ahead.
about yeah, we definitely talk about those matter. So, can you tell me about yourself properly? Then
Yeah.
I get more knowledge about you.
Yeah. Yeah, sure. My name is Anjali Rai, and I have completed my post graduation in English literature. And I
Okay.
have completed my schooling and college mostly from Gujarat only. So my
Okay.
father keeps getting a transfer, so right now in Maharashtra. And I recently
Okay.
joined here for teaching. Before this, I was teaching somewhere else, but then that contract got over, so I thought I would like to do something new. So that's
Okay.
why.
Definitely. Definitely. Okay. Okay. It's okay.
Okay, so what are Okay, so what are your views on financial independence at an early age? Why do you think that people should start earning at an early age? Do you
No,
think that
actually,
is a
I
good
don't.
thing?
Yeah, I don't think it's early age. I can say after completing education, after completing whatever any student, any I can say learner achieve. After that, they can uh, financial independence. After, not before.
Yeah.
We need to first
Yeah, because if you
complete
see
it.
in the
We
Western
need to,
culture,
yeah.
yeah, in the Western
Go ahead.
culture, they are like working from 13 years or 16 years. They're working
Yeah.
and they're studying also at the same time. But
Yes.
so,
Yes.
that is not the same case in India. But there,
Mm-hmm.
in Western culture, they also have like holidays. They don't have school regularly, so they can manage. But here it
Yeah.
is really tough to manage because we have like tough syllabus also. So that is also a
Yeah.
thing. Yeah. So,
Yeah.
do you think
Absolutely.
saving? Yeah. Do you think saving helps while you are earning?
Yeah, it's mandatory
Also,
if we are
yeah.
not
Do you
saving
save?
ourselves. Yeah, absolutely. Me also save for earning money. It's need. It's depend, and that's the reason I'm talking with you through that capital. Without capital, it's not possible. It is also
Yeah.
mandatory for learning purpose. Yeah.
Yeah.
But if I go to another platform, there is need more money to speak with them. But this is
Yeah.
also okay to talk with you, talk with such types of uh,
Yeah. The
people.
main point
So
should
it's
be like you should learn it at last.
yeah, yeah, exactly, ma'am.
Yeah. So, why do you think financial freedom is important? You might have seen like housewives or these people. Some of women are not allowed to work or they are
Hmm.
held back because they are women. So, they are not working. So, they don't really have a choice. So, why do you think it is important for women also and for men also?
Yes, absolutely, absolutely. It's matter. It's need for everyone, but due to some work, due to some restriction, we are not
Yeah.
unable to. We are not able to do, or we are not able to financial freedom because we have no choice. We have no getting place where we get earn. That's why
Yeah.
we always want to uh, earn something from any other place, any place, and we need financial freedom. It's
Yeah,
really
so
need.
that we are not
But
dependent on someone, so that we can do everything on our own. And
yeah,
once you're dependent, you feel helpless, up to a certain point.
yes,
So
yes,
to
yes.
avoid that, a person needs that freedom.
Exactly.
So what is the benefit of being financially free? Like
Yes, lots of benefit. If you ask me about
financially free,
financial
what are
benefit, yeah. So it's really benefit a lot if you financial free because there is no need to go anywhere. You have lots of money. You have lots of financial capital without going without any work, and you get a result. You whatever you want, you can go. Whatever you need, you can buy. Whatever you have to travel, you can go easily. There is no restriction for you that you are financial free.
Yeah, but there are some people who are earning, but their salary is not enough. So, what about those kind
Mhm.
of people? Do you think they are also free, or what should they do? Like, suppose someone is
Okay.
earning only 6,000 or something, then
Mhm.
they're earning also, but still they're not able to afford a lot of things.
Yes, exactly, exactly. They are not
Yeah,
able to do anything whatever they want because they are not
yeah,
free for their work because whatever they are working, and after that purpose they got just 5 or 6 or 7,000. this is not enough for this situation,
Yeah.
where we are living, what is our position nowadays. We need to earn at least more than 10 to 15,000. After that we are maybe something satisfied, but it's not satisfied matter, because we need to work, we need to
Yeah.
because without work we
Yeah,
are not
because you have to pay
easy,
bills
we are,
also. This bill,
yeah.
electricity bill, that bill, yeah.
But some
So how much?
such types of work, such types of work also helpful for better place purpose. If I work somewhere now, and after that I can say I will reach another place, there is I can experiences matter, so we need to work also. So there is no restriction, you are earning at least 5 6 7,000, it's not matter, but work also matter.
Yeah. Okay, so how much salary do you think is enough to get the financially freedom status?